This family just sold $4 billion worth of Walmart stock during the first half of 2023. I tell you what, I wish I had a problem where I would have to sell $4 billion of Walmart stock or $4 billion of any stock. But if you're just tuning in, my name is Christopher Yule, and I love talking about stocks and finding those outsized returns with outlier trades. And if you're interested in that too, be sure to definitely hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget, today's episode is sponsored by Outlier. Go to ovtlyr.com to find out why outliers win. $4.39 billion worth of Walmart stock was sold by the Walton company. And I was reading through this, and what I saw, which I did not know, is half of Walmart stock is reportedly held by Sam Walton, the founder, and his brother James Budd's 7 heirs. And so far, that includes Rob, Jim, Alice, and all them. And let's see. Walmart said, I thought this was super interesting. In April, Walmart has said that their Chicago stores have never been profitable ever since they were first opened 17 years ago. And during that same month, Walmart sold its Bonobos menswear brand at a $235, I would assume, million loss. And that came after it sold for $75 million after all this other stuff. But the point is that they took a huge write-off on Bonobos. Their Chicago stores have never been profitable. And they're saying, you know what? I think we should do something about this. The family is looking around. They're seeing the outlier signal that had a buy signal, in fact, back on July 14th. And they said, we're going to sell while the market's going up while we can. Let's make $4 billion. Let's take that out of the market. Let's go buy a couple of yachts. Let's go buy a couple of countries. Let's go buy a couple of islands to go hang out on. But the point is that the Walton family has seen the writing on the wall, and they decided to take $4 billion off the table. So what do you think down in the comments down below? What do you think that they're going to be spending the $4 billion that they just took out in cash on? Or do you think they're going to be reinvesting it in something new? I mean, with $4 billion, you can do a lot of awesome stuff. You can make a lot of companies. You can make a lot of charities. I don't know what they're up to, but I would really like to know down below what you think. And if you like this video, and if you are also thinking, man, what could I do with $4 billion? Smash that like button. And thank you so much for coming to today's Outlier live stream. We covered, Steve Wozniak says, get the heck out of all the Facebook products if you still have any. We talked about Warren Buffett's wife. She is over these $4 cups of coffee. Does that mean they're going to be going down in price? Has inflation finally caught up to the coffee and now it's going to come back down? And finally, somebody just took $4 billion home. What do you think they're going to do with that? I don't know, but I got some crazy ideas that I could do with $4 billion. Be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe. And be sure to come back tomorrow. And Mahesh is going to be talking about his stock picks. Thank you so much for coming to today's Outlier Live. We'll see you on the next episode.